Hey guys, today let's learn how to speed up text-to-speech on TikTok. So basically, how do you set up text-to-speech on TikTok? If you want to use the new feature on TikTok to basically use and add text and make it into a speech, which makes it talking. So let's click on the plus icon so that you may basically create a quick video to use as an example. I'm going to go ahead and record a quick 15-second video on here, or basically not really 15 seconds at all. So I'm going to go ahead and just wait for this to finish, and I think 10 seconds would be good. So now we could basically head on over to the check and click on the check mark, and I want to basically add some text on here so that it may have something to say. Now when you click under the text right here, what we should see is the option to basically add some text now. So we can now proceed with adding text onto this TikTok video. Click on done, and once you click on that text, basically we could now click on text to speech, and that'll automatically say out loud this specific text. Now basically, if we want to add some voice effects to that specific text to speech, we can click on voice effects, and also we could add like the chipmunk version, which basically speeds it up and also heightens the pitch. And we could also basically choose helium, which is also essentially the same thing, which ups up the pitch and also speeds it up just a little. And that is how you speed up text to speech on TikTok, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.